Mohammed, I would tell you something with a lot of confidence. Today in 2025 August, as we speak, any student of foreign language has the easier task than anybody else in the past because of the AI tools. I'll be very honest with you. So you can constantly check your progress in writing. For example, you can start writing small paragraphs, 2 lines, 3 lines, 4 lines, and you can ask ChatGPT or any other such tool to correct and evaluate your work. Same goes to there are AI applications which can help you in speaking, like Talkpal AI, and so there will be others as well. So you are in this era now where you can do everyday practice at a very minimal cost, like literally minimal cost. We're talking about, not even worth mentioning. And you don't have to wait for 4 months or 5 months or 6 months to know if you're progressing in speaking or writing. Obviously, you will have to start at some point, right? You can't start by expecting monologues of 5 minutes or conversation of 10 minutes, right? You'll have to start like, let's say, introduction. J'aimerais bien me présenter un peu, je sais pas, 2 minutes avec quelques phrases. And these tools allow you to do those practices. And even if you have some accent, for example, which is totally normal, or you are struggling, you're making mistake, they still understand these tools and they will still give you feedback. We have tested them ourselves. So you are living in the era where I believe personally that language learning has become easier than ever.
Yeah, that's true.
Because when I was studying when I was in your shoes back in 2020 or 2019, actually, I was at the mercy of teachers to correct my writing work. And obviously the teachers were not available every day, even every week. Now you don't need anybody. All you do is hard work and you have support in terms of these tools, literally on your mobile or laptop or anywhere. So you really need not wait anymore. Like you study, you do the course from BBarters, because I still believe that you need to learn the basic concepts, the fundamentals of grammar and everything. So that's learning is important. But the part of practicing and constant evaluation, it's easier than ever. If you're learning French, this is the easiest time to do it. You have to just incorporate these tools and constantly, evaluate your writing, speaking, listening. Obviously, there are a lot of quizzes in BBarters program as well as on internet. So much so you can also ask ChatGPT to create a listening quiz for you on the go. You can even provide topics. So there are a lot of tools at your disposal if you want to do it. Good news for you guys is you guys are living in the best era to learn a language. Seriously, sincerely. The amount of tools that are at your disposal, I did not have that. So it was much more uncertain, very much lack of feedback. We were at the disposal of some teachers, and all teachers are not same. Like some teachers are more motivated than others. It's difficult to find. So it's much better to have these tools which can help you anytime, 24/7 in your time zone at your disposal. So trust me, guys, all it needs now is to be serious and to take efforts, because you have so many tools today which can help you in so many different ways. So it's really like the only way people cannot learn a language now is if they don't want to learn.
Can you just mention the list of tools other than ChatGPT, like where we can practice?
I have not been able to explore a lot of them, but I have explored some of them. Of course, ChatGPT does all the writing corrections and everything. It can also generate some listening quizzes. And Talkpal AI, as I tested for the speaking practices, and it does really good job of all level of students. Doesn't have to be, but you still have to spend like 4 or 5 months minimum with a language to understand the basics. Otherwise, you won't even understand what they're saying. Make sense?
Yes.
Yeah. So yeah, these are just examples. But again, you can just ask these questions to even ChatGPT itself. What are the tools? And they will suggest the same names, like perhaps. But yeah.